Okay, I'm at a customer's house in Ozark, Missouri, and we got a lot of frequencies, some surging coming on here. We think it might be from the outside swim spa. So let's see here.
Gone.
You turned it off?
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't see any change on the consistent. So
Change.
not well. You still got a lot of. Look at that there. So we are. Let me give you a little bit of a common education here while we're sitting here. So this is time or voltage. This is your sine wave. This is a power coming in.
Right.
Exactly. This picoscope, and this helps me separate. It separates the dirty power off this. This unit power is really good. I mean, your sine wave here is like perfect.
So should these
So,
lines
but
be
you
closer
these
together?
well, no, this is done on purpose. But this should look exactly like this. It shouldn't have all this jaggedness.
I got you.
That's your dirty
Should be
power.
smooth.
Yeah. Now in this meter here, this tri-field, it says 40. You know, they have different measurements. Say millivolts. It's 40. And then if I take another one here, see it over here real quick. Another one of those meters I could use. Oh, let's use a Stetcher here. A Stetcher.
Probably not.
Yeah. Okay, we were getting high readings over there because of the lighting, probably.
You want me to turn that off?
Yeah, turn that off to see what happens. I'm gonna turn off the. That didn't change a whole lot, which is good. Okay, go and turn the lighting back on. But it's got a lot of like flickering on this. So what's that called you have out there in the garage?
Spa?
It's a spa.
Yeah.
It's a swim spa.
Right.
Okay.
I shut the whole power down.
Yeah, well, it's not doing it now since you've actually did that. We don't get that huge surge. Now, is that thing always on typically?
Yes.
All right, do me one more favor. Would you go turn that back on? I'm gonna see what. Usually, if that's the problem, it will surge with the voltage spike. So we're gonna turn the swim spa back on. Now, it has its own has its own breaker box. But obviously it's using the same transformer, which again is all connected through the neutral and probably the ground too. Again, I'll do this every day, so you guys have to bear with me on this. But I am a little concerned about all this flickering. So I'm in a house in Ozark, and we also have a Wi-Fi that the customer thought was up. There it goes. I saw the surge there. So this can be fixed with filters. Let me see if he's out there turning that back on. So he's outside turning the swim spa back on, but that area has its own breaker box. I'm going back over here. So, let me see if he's...
And we've had the swim spa 2 years.
Yeah, and you got sick 2 years ago. So all this is probably working together. And the good news, we can fix the Wi-Fi router. We'll get that turned off with the proper. That's why you almost always have to have a meter, a good meter, like the safest sound like I have, or you just don't know. But you don't have a ton of dirty power on your lines, but there's quite a bit of flickering here, and I'm thinking that might be some this.
Can you have them test it now?
Go ahead.
What did you say? What do you want me to do? Oh, you turned off the Wi-Fi?
You want to test it with the meter?
Oh, I'm sorry, I had you on mute. What do you want me to do? Test
Okay,
it?
where's my meter? Is it still in there? We'll keep
Yeah, he's gonna
videotaping in here.
test it. Was it on, Nick? One of them was?
Yeah, there's 2.5, also 5 gigahertz probably. Yeah, it definitely turned it off, but it's, for whatever reason, these things are really weird. It's still putting out a lot of radiation, but it's not nearly like it once was. So we turned off the 5 gigahertz probably was off before. Now he's turning off the 2.5 gigahertz. But it's, these things are kind of wackadoodle. They're still putting out some radiation. I don't know why it does that. So that's why I recommend if anybody possibly get your own router. Sometimes you can use their modem, which brings in the frequencies.
That's a modem and a router, so
Okay.
I don't really do that. And that's the only thing Brightspeed will give us.
Right. See if you can, if it's okay to use a different modem and ask them which ones work, when you can buy on your own. I'm going to turn this off. Okay. Yeah, this is the part that's really kind of, as a building biologist, the hardest part because I'm not an IT person. Well, at least that helped. So now it's hardwired. We can put like a net over that piece of material to block more of that because there's no reason for you to
But
absorb
then
that
it
radiation.
heats up and shuts down.
No, it won't. It shouldn't do that. I have customers that put it over all the time.
Oh, but I've tried that. The silver blanket.
Well, then maybe, but this is not working as hard though. But before it was working a lot because it was putting out that 2.5.
Okay.
But all right.
I have one of those.
Is it back on now?
Yeah. Did it do anything?
Yeah, let's go back.
Do we need Nick anymore?
I don't think so.
Okay, please stand by and please leave.
So now it's on?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and do another video because it's not so long.